am very, very qualified on that. And I look and this dude just says, you have your own orbit. That's not an argument. Case, you will never starve. There's no need in talking about it. And then this other guy just said, by the way, a 3-month subscriber just said, Cap, you're disqualified on the topic of health. You understand I'm a nutritional expert?
I told you we needed more glitter. I told you we needed more glitter.
How do you even get this? Can I take you to court over this?
I told you we needed more glitter.
What do you mean, so?
I told you we needed more glitter.
He's typing again. He said sorry again. I will jump right now and an explosion will not happen. I can literally jump and not make any noise. What do you mean, oh no, I have a family? What do you mean I just got an Amber Alert? Your name is Connor. Okay, watch this. I am about to jump and you're